In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of binomial expansion, and then later we will discuss some exam style question. So if we need to expand a plus b squared, obviously I need to do a plus b times a plus b. Now if I expand this a times a will be a squared, a times b will be ab, plus b times a will be ba, plus b times b will be b squared. So if I combine these two ab and ba, this will become a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now similarly, if I need to expand a plus b cubed, I need to do a plus b times a plus b times a plus b. Since we know the result of expansion of a plus b times a plus b, so I'm just replacing this with a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, and I need to times this with a plus b. Now when I expand this, a squared times a will be a cubed, a squared times b will be a squared b, plus 2ab times a will be 2a squared b. When I do 2ab times b, then it will be 2ab squared, plus when I do b squared times a, this will be b squared a, plus when I do b squared times b, this will be b cubed. Now I can combine these two and I can combine these two as well. So this will become a cubed, a squared b plus 2a squared b will be 3a squared b, plus 2ab squared plus b squared a will be 3b squared a, and plus b cubed. So this is the expansion of a plus b cubed. Now similarly, I can expand a plus b power 4. Now for the time being, I'm just writing the result here, which is a power 4 plus 4a cubed b plus 6a squared b squared plus 4b cubed a plus b power 4. So these are the expansions of a plus b whole squared, a plus b whole cubed, and a plus b power 4. Now for the time being, I've written all these expansions here. A plus b squared, a plus b cubed, and a plus b power 4. Now let's discuss something here. When I do a plus b power 1, then I got two terms. When I do a plus b squared, I got three terms. When I do a plus b cubed, I got four terms. And when I do a plus b power 4, I got five terms. So let's say if I need to do a plus b power 5, definitely I will get six terms in total in this expansion. So remember this thing first. Whenever I do a plus b power n, the number of terms will be n plus 1, one more than this power. Now, when I do a plus b, there's one power of a and there is no power of again. When I do a plus b squared, there is two power of a, then there is one power of a, and then there is no power of a. When I did a plus b cube, there is three power of a, then there is two power of a, and there is one power of a, and there is no power of a again. And when I did a plus b power 4, there is 4 power of a, there is 3 power of a, there is 2 power of a, and then there is 1 power of a, and there is no power of a. So I can say that the power of a will keep on decreasing as we move forwards in the expansion. Similarly, there is no power of b and there is 1 power of b. If I do a plus b squared, then there is no power of b, and then there is 1 power of b, and then there is 2 power of b. When I did a plus b cubed, then there is no power of b, and then there is 1 power of b, and then 2 power of b, and then 3 power of b. Similarly, in a plus b power 4, there is no power of b, then there is 1 power of b, 2 power of b, 3 power of b, and then 4 power of b. As the power of A decreases, the power of B will keep on increasing. The next thing which we need to focus here is, if I did A plus B squared, so here we got A power 2, B power 2. And if I add the powers of A and B, this will also become 1 plus 1, which is 2. Now if I did a plus b cubed, we got a power 3, b power 3, and if I add the powers of a and b, 2 plus 1, this is again 3. This is 2 plus 1, which is again 3. And if I did a plus b power 4, then obviously this will be a power 4, b power 4. If I add the powers of a and b, then it will also become 4. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, 1 plus 3 is again 4. Now similarly, let's try to expand a plus b power 5. Then obviously it will start with a power 5. Then now the value of the power of a will keep on decreasing and the power of b will keep on increasing. So there is no power of b. So in the next term, the power of a will decrease and then the power of b will increase. Since here we have no power of b, here we'll be having one power of b. And if I add these 4 plus 1, this is 5. Then the power of a will keep on decreasing. This will be 3. Now to make the power 5, obviously I need to take b squared. Then this will be a squared. This will be b cubed. And then a b to the power 4. And the last term will be b power 5. Now you can check, as I told you, that if we have a plus b power 5, then obviously we will be having 6 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6 terms. Now the last thing which we need to focus on is the coefficients. If I do a plus b power 0, then this will be equals to 1 obviously. When I do a plus b power 1, we have the coefficient as 1 and 1. When I did a plus b squared, then we have coefficient as 1, 2 and 1. So let me write these coefficients here. So we got 1 at the first, and then we got 1 and 1, and then we got 1, 2 and 1 again. And when we do a plus b power 3, this will be 1. Now observe, we have 3. So if I add this 2 plus 1, we will be having 3. If I add 1 plus 2, then we will be having 3. And at the last, we will be having 1. Similarly, 1 at the start, 1 at the last. Now to get these coefficients, what I'm going to do is, I will do 3 plus 1, which is 4. So you can see, we will having 4 here. 3 plus 3 is 6. You can see we will be having 6 here. 1 plus 3 is 4. So we will be having 4 here. And at the last we will be having 1 only. Now if I need to do the power 5, obviously the first coefficient and the last coefficient will be 1. So if I do 4 plus 1, this will be 5. 6 plus 4 will be 10. 4 plus 6 will be 10. 1 plus 4 will be 5. So this will be 1 times a to the power 5. Then we have 5 times a to the power 4b, and then 10 times a cube b square, then 10 times a squared b cube, then 5 times a b to the power 4, and then 1 times b to the power 5. So this is the expansion of a plus b power 5. Now this thing is called as a Pascal triangle. This thing is called as a Pascal triangle. Now how do we get the power or the coefficients of power 6? Obviously, if I do power 6, then the total number of terms will be 7. I have written the coefficients till 5. So let's try to work out for the coefficients of power 6. So 1 plus 5 will be 6. 10 plus 5 will be 15. 10 plus 10 will be 20. 5 plus 10 will be 15. 1 plus 5 will be 6. And 1 will be at the last. Now I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the coefficients of those 7 terms will be this. Now similarly, I can expand for the power of 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now let's try to understand this concept with the help of these examples. We need to expand and simplify 2x plus 1 to the power 4. Now here if you observe, the term a will be 2x and the term b will be 1. Now what I need to do is, I need to replace a with 2x and b with 1. So this will become 2x to the power 4 plus 4 times 2x cubed, and b will be 1, plus 6 times a squared. So I need to do 2x squared times b, that is 1 squared, plus 4 times 1 times b cubed means 1 cubed, and a will be as it is, that means 2x. Then we need to do b power 4, that means 1 power 4. So 2 power 4 will be 16 x to the power 4 plus 2 cubed will be 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So this will be 32x cubed plus. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 6 is 24x squared, and 1 squared will be 1 plus 1 cubed will be 1. So 4 times 2 is 8x plus 1 to the power 4 is 1. So this is the expansion or result of 2x plus 1 to the power 4. Now let's try to do one more question here. If I need to do 2 minus 3x to the power cube. Now here a will be 2 and b will be minus 3. We know the expansion of a plus b cubed, which is a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3b squared a plus b cubed. So let's replace a with 2 and b with minus 3. So this will be 2 cubed plus 3a squared, that means 2 squared, times b means minus 3x, plus 3 times b squared, that is minus 3x squared, times a, that is 2, plus b cubed, which is minus 3x cubed. Now obviously 2 cubed will be 8. Now 2 squared will be 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. So this will be minus 36x. Now 3 squared will be 9. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 times 2 is 54. So this will be plus 54x squared. Now minus 3 cubed will be minus 27, and we got x cubed here. So this is the expansion of 2 minus 3x cubed. I hope you understand the concept and these questions. Thank you so much. Keep learning.